One of the easiest ways to explain headings is to think of the hierarchy of an outline. Word's navigation pane demonstrates that well, so we'll talk through this example in Word, but the concept applies to any program where you are creating content. To see Word's navigation pane, you'll click on View, and in the Show group, click the checkbox next to Navigation pane. As you read, headings are labels given to each section of your document or web page that give your document structure by organizing the content into sections. In this example, the bolded words, Chapter 2 Minerals, 2.1 Electrons, Protons, Neutrons, the individual words electrons, protons, and neutrons, as well as 2.2 Bonding and Lattices, Ionic Bond, and Covalent Bond, are all headings. Not only do we have to designate these as headings, but we also have to make sure we are applying the correct heading structure. Heading structure is provided in levels: heading level 1, heading level 2, heading level 3, etc. And each of these are nested. Text marked as heading level 2 is under the previous heading level 1, and text marked as heading level 3 is under the previous heading level 2. You should always have just one heading level 1, and that should be the title. In this example, heading level 1 is Chapter 2 Minerals. Below that, there are two heading level 2s, 2.1 Electrons, Protons, and Neutrons, and 2.2 Bonding and Lattice. The first heading level 2, again 2.1 Electrons, Protons, and Neutrons, has three level 3 headings below it: electrons, protons, and neutrons. The second heading level 2, Bonding and Lattices, has two level 3 headings below it: ionic bond and covalent bond. When we look over on the left-hand side at the navigation pane, we can see this hierarchy in outline format. We have our heading level 1, and inside our heading level 1, we have the two heading level 2s. And as we expand each of those, we see the heading level 3s. So the two things you always want to do in regards to headings are: 1, designate as a heading using the tools that the program sets forth and don't just use bigger, bolder fonts. And 2, apply the correct level structure.